Today is the day. It is dark 30 here. We are on our way down to Tucson to test out this missile. Yeah, should be a fun day. Sleeping? God. We got the whole crew out here. Woo! All right, let's check back in when we get closer. All right, guys, we are here. We made it. Woohoo! We made it.
Let's go.
It's a beautiful day out here in Tucson. We gotta get set up.
We're getting ready, dude.
Woo!
It's a big day. What are your expectations for the day?
We've done a lot of work on an untested car, so I'm trying not to set my expectations too high.
I think it's gonna do well.
Look at her, dude. That's like almost the farthest you've ever driven it right there.
So far, so good.
Test rip in.
Go. I think the plan is we're gonna go see if it drives, dude. So we're here. It's a beautiful day. I just took it for like 2 laps basically. It seems to be working well. So I think it's time to go drift this thing. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna find out. So we got 2 GoPros inside. We're leaving the hood off for now in case we need to check anything, just because this is literally the first time really even driving it. So I say let's get into it. Let's freaking see if we can chain this whole course. Maybe mind you some straights. It's gonna be fun.
It's so funny with this. Whoa!
I can't talk.
Thing's ripping good, dude. I'm surprised, dude. This is really good.
This thing is freaking so much fun.
I need a little more grip in the rear. Just tire pressure, I think. I think I had him at like 45.
Yeah, they're pretty high.
Idea.
They're pretty high.
But
oh, she's a ripper, dude.
what?
She's a ripper.
No, let's do it again.
Get up on those apexes, boys.
Cone down, stop! I got a cone! Here! Fluttered her out a little.
They don't like second gear slowing donuts.
Woo! What? I gotta say that is just, that is really good.
Get out of the computer zone for a second.
We
got ourselves a car.
Dude. I'm stoked on that.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. We put a lot of time in the last few weeks in this thing, and man, it looks good.
So I realized, I was looking at our footage, and I realized one of the first photos was on, like, the 3rd, I think.
Yeah, it's been 3 weeks.
It's the 23rd today. The episodes, because we do so many other videos, they're not real time. We basically did all this in 20 days. And this guy's been going to town. So, let's see. It drifts super well. I'm not mad at the angle kit at all. I think angle kit's solid. Biggest thing right now is no power steering. It sucks. My arms are freaking tired, and like, it's hard to control at slower speeds.
This is such a small course too.
Yeah.
So
I don't know. I'm pumped. Let's go freaking, let's rip the whole course. Let's go try it out.
Do it. What a guy. How are you gonna get kicked off the track for the
Well,
first...
that's a great success. Oh, the freaking arms, dude. They're so tired.
You know what's funny is my Miata doesn't have power steering.
Really?
So that's like normal for me.
You better get power steering.
Look at these arms, dude. Look at these.
Oh.
Woo!
Bring it in, boys. Well, I'd say, I don't know what camera to look at. I'd say, who do I look at? I'll look at you. I'd say that's a great first test day with this thing. I think we might film a couple how to drift videos with it, and then it's time to get it back in the shop, look over it, do a roll cage. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Check out all the build videos before this, and we still got a couple more to truly finish this missile build up. We'll see you guys in a couple days. Peace.